This is going to be a demonstration of a lat release. So your latissimus dorsi, or your lat muscle, is a very large pulling muscle that sits on the back side of the body here. If you take one hand and hook your trap, and then take your other hand and wrap it around your torso, your hand should be right on your lat. You'll feel a flat muscle here with the edge of the muscle being kind of running along your rib cage here, and it wraps around. So what I'm going to do is take the ball in this position, and I'm going to just simply attach it to my side below my shoulder blade, but inside the body of that muscle. I'm going to go to the wall, and I'm simply going to apply pressure with my outer foot and breathe into that muscle. As I inhale, I'm going to increase pressure. As I exhale, I'm going to release that pressure. That's just a trigger point release, and if I want to do pin and pull, all I have to do is gently move my elbow up and down. Not fast, not aggressively, just very gently. Stay inside your frame of tolerance and work on releasing the body of the muscle in that area. One of the things that often happens with people that overuse their upper bodies is their lat wants to glue itself to the rib cage for extra stability. That's not uncommon. So doing the pin and pull action and releasing that can go a long way in relieving shoulder pain and the forward rotation of the shoulder, because the lat attaches to the whole back, attaches near the spine, and then actually wraps around and attaches to the humerus up here. So if this area is very tight, it actually internally rotates the arm. So this happens if the lat is very, very tight. So if you notice that you're the type of person that has this kind of inwardly rotated shoulder posture, often the pec gets blamed for that, but the lat can be just as much an issue, particularly if you're a very fit person or you've done a lot of upper body work in the past.